Hi, this is Steven with another Hubby Dub. Today we're doing another devotional. In case you were wondering, Taryn is obviously not wearing her wedding ring, and that's because of a gout flare-up, and not because she's mad at me. First, we're going to tear these off, this dictionary page, and I used another page that's about the same size as the Bible so that we could use it as a template. I'm going to tear that off, rip off the little chunkies. Then we're going to put it on, and we're going to put some Elmer's glue on there to make it look all white and washed out. The verse today is Numbers 23:19, which says, God is not a man that he should lie, or a son of man that he should change his mind. He has said, and will he not do it? Or has he spoken, and will he not fulfill it? That's Numbers 23:19. And we're going to take and just keep putting Elmer's glue on there, a bit too much, but it doesn't matter. We're going to just smudge it all in there. Yep, there we go. And I'm so glad that God doesn't change. For my sake, definitely. It brings me great peace to know that he will never change, especially when it comes to my salvation. We're going to just paint that white out on there. I mean, the Elmer's glue, sorry. Just make it look all faded and whited out. I'm going to wipe off the excess because it's really wet. You know how Elmer's glue can be. And dry it off. Oh, and then we're going to spray some brown stuff on there. Looks like someone had an accident. I'm going to clean that up. Don't want any blowout residue. And then, we clean that up. And we're going to spray some more in the corner. And let it blow it all around, finger paint with it. And just dry it up. It makes it look like you spilled coffee or other things on there. Then we're gonna just scribble a little more in the corner, the other corner, so it looks all dirty and like you spilled some coffee. Just spray it all over. If you blow it all around, the accident tends to dissipate. There we go. Yep, dry it up. I'm going to take some Timmy letters and we're going to put them on the page so we can arrange how it's going to look. There's a period over there. These letters kind of blend in pretty well to the page, so in case you can't read camouflage, it says immutable, which means never changing. And that's the Steve definition. I could look it up, but I don't have a dictionary handy. I'm going to antique up these letters, dirty them up, do the edges, so you can read it a little better, because they blend in really well. Yep, we're gonna do each one. Take some more Timmy letters, Tim Holtz when I say Timmy, and we're gonna put them on the page. Rearrange them. That says changing. We're going to use our X device. I don't know what that is. Looks pretty fancy though. I guess it makes all the you run them through the wash. The letters. Oh, I see. It makes them sticky. Makes all the letters sticky, so you can stick them on the page. Well, that's clever. Okay, and take that off. Make sure they're all sticky and full of adhesive. I'm gonna put that label on there and cut it out. Ooh, these scissors, they're really good at trimming mustaches. Multi-purpose. Don't tell Taryn. But it trims your mustache pretty nicely. I'm gonna put the letters changing on this this label. Make sure that G's on there nice. Just get all these letters nice and straight and where we want them. Yep, move them around a little, and then put it on the page. I'm gonna do whatever that was. Spray some of that on there. I'm gonna take this fabric and we're gonna stamp some letters onto that. And I think you can figure out that this one is gonna say never. Never. Nevep. Nevep changing. Must be Italian. Okay. Nevep. I know it's supposed to be an R, but that's definitely a P. Just saying. Changing the alphabet. I'm going to cut that fabric down and staple it on there. I think we're going to, we're going to take that sticky tape and make sure that the two pieces of fabric stay together. Put it on there. Never changing. That looks like Nevep. I'm going to take this pink stuff. I'm going to try to decide if we're going to do that pink or this pink. And we're shaking really bad here. It's a very nervous thing to decide what pink to use. Oh, yes. Put some Pepto-Bismol on that. You're going to need it. I'm going to dry the Pepto onto the splatter. There we go. Nice. That's good. Nevep. Glue the changing down. And then we're going to do the same with never. Just take some more of that sticky tape. We're going to use that instead of the glue. Just peel that off. Just peel it. There we go. Nice. Never changing. Nice. We change all the time, but thank God he doesn't. Because we'd be in trouble. Put those letters on there. It's going to say immutable. We're going to watch as... Oh, good. We don't have to wait to see all those letters be put on the page. And we can put that little flower on there as well, which looks kind of pretty next to the never. And we're going to use the Tim Holtz watercolors. There's 6 sets of these, including 3 newly released ones. Now available at By the Will for God shop. Be sure to use Taryn's link below to get you some of these watercolor pens, crayons, whatever they are. She's going to use that to make a shadow on these letters so that we can read them better. And that makes it a lot better. It really was blended in a lot earlier. That looks good. I like this page. I'm going to fit it into our Bible. And obviously we're going to use the sticky tape again because it works so well to stick that onto the interleave page. While I'm here, be sure to check out all the other Hubby dubs. Gesso and Mindy's husband do a great job as well. We're going to peel these off, each one, so that we can put our page in. Just stick it right on there. I'm going to take those little chunky rips off the top there. That looks better. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and be sure to check out those other Hubby dubs. Thank you so much. Have a great day.